What's up, guys? So today I'm going to be blowing the Echo duck call. It's a polytimber double reed. Um, I like it. It come in a nice little baggy, whatever you want to call it, right here. That's the brim. So just blow it, and let's get it. I like it, dude. All right. Well, y'all can tell me what calls y'all want me to do next, and I'll go buy it and test it out for y'all. But I like it. It's called Echo Calls. Um, the number should be in here somewhere. Let's see if I can get the number for y'all. All right, the number is 501-882-2026. All right. So if y'all want a call, holler at them. They make good calls. So I'll see y'all in the next one.